Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to write XPath in Selenium. XPath, or XML path language, is a powerful query language for selecting nodes from an XML document. Since HTML can be treated as an XML document, XPath becomes incredibly useful in Selenium for navigating and locating specific web elements. It provides a flexible and robust way to interact with dynamic web pages, allowing you to target elements precisely based on their attributes, text, or position within the document structure. Understanding the difference between absolute and relative XPath is crucial. An absolute XPath begins from the root element, typically /HTML, and specifies the full path to the element. While precise, it's brittle and breaks easily with minor page changes. Conversely, a relative XPath starts with // allowing you to search for elements anywhere in the document. This approach is far more flexible and resilient to structural changes, making it the recommended method for most Selenium automation tasks. XPath offers several powerful functions to refine your element selection. The contains function is excellent for matching partial attribute values, like finding a link where the href contains product. The text function allows you to locate elements based on their visible text, such as a button with the text submit. Additionally, starts with helps find attributes beginning with a specific string, and logical operators like and, or combine multiple conditions for highly specific targeting. To write effective XPath, always prioritize unique attributes like ID or name first, as they are the most stable. Keep your XPath expressions concise. Overly long paths are harder to maintain and more prone to breaking. Always test your XPath in browser developer tools before implementing it in your code to ensure it correctly identifies the desired element. Combining XPath with other locators, such as CSS selectors, can also lead to more robust and reliable automation scripts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.